Welcome to Morning Yoga Stretch. In this class, we'll move through a 10-minute full body wake-up sequence. My name is Eliot, co-founder of Interdimension Yoga, and let's go ahead and begin by coming down onto our backs into reclining. Now, as you make your way onto your back, go ahead and bring your heels close in towards your sit bones, spreading the feet out about the width of the hips. Arms extend straight out in front of you, and we'll begin with this movement. Inhale, press the feet into the floor, lift up through the belly, and reach the arms up over your head. And then as you exhale, lower the arms and the lower back down onto the mat. Inhale, lift up, expand. And exhale, slowly return everything back down, and then try that on your own 2 or 3 more rounds. And for the duration of this practice, even for the brief 10 minutes that we have, allowing the mind to become calm, present, and focused. Next time the lower back returns onto the mat, go ahead and draw your knees, your thighs into your belly. Cactus your arms open, bending the elbows about 90 degrees. And then allow the knees to fall gently over towards the right, coming into a sweet reclining double knee twist. And you might place the right hand on that outer left knee, left thigh, as you feel your left shoulder blade anchored down into the floor. Feel the stretch running down into your lower back, your lower spine. And both knees back up to neutral, and then we'll do the same thing now on the other side. Your gaze can be up, or you can look out over your right arm or over towards the left, wherever it feels best for you and your neck. And then we'll bring the knees back up to neutral, hug those thighs back in, start to rock forward and backward, and then go ahead and rock all the way up to seated. If you have a block or a pillow, go ahead and grab that, put that underneath the hips. And then from here, we'll extend the left hand out to the left, take that right arm and reach it all the way up and over, coming into a gentle side stretch. Feel the right sit bone anchoring down into the ground. Take another inhale to reach. And then as you exhale, go ahead and make your way to the other side. So right fingertips float down, left arm comes up and over, feeling that stretch all the way down the left side of your torso. And we'll turn that into a nice little flow here. So give that one last little reach. And then come to the other side. Inhale. Back up as you exhale. Inhale, switch. Exhale, back up. And then try that a couple more rounds on your own. Just beginning to wake and stretch and loosen the body up this morning. And then we'll come back up to neutral. Take the right hand over to your left knee, left fingertips on the floor behind you. Inhale, draw up tall through the spine. And then exhale, turn into a little twist. And then we'll do the same thing on the other side. So left hand to the outer right knee, right fingertips behind you. Inhale, draw your chest up. And then exhale, turn into that twist. Give that one last little squeeze. Bring the gaze forward, unravel out of the twist. Now let's stretch the neck. So take the right hand and reach it all the way around behind your lower back. Bring your left hand to your right temple, and then gently draw your left ear down towards your left shoulder, stretching the right side of your neck. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. So take that left hand, reach it around behind the back. Right hand to your left temple as you now draw that right ear down towards that right shoulder. Just make sure that your left shoulder isn't hiking up, so you're really descending that shoulder down to enhance that neck stretch. Good, go ahead and release that, and then we'll come into tabletop all fours position. So shoulders above the wrists, knees right beneath the hips, fingers spread wide here. And then on the inhale, drop the belly, pull the heart forward. And then exhale, round the back, curling that chin in. Inhale, cow. And exhale, cat. Couple more of those, just beginning to really loosen up your spine. And then come back to a neutral spine, lean into your left hand. Take your right arm, float it all the way up as you inhale. And then reach that right arm underneath the left arm, relaxing that outer right shoulder all the way down onto the floor for a couple of breaths, stretching your right shoulder. So allowing your breath to be steady, smooth, and even. And then unthread that right arm, reverse what you just did. So inhale, back up above. And then exhale, right hand floats back down. Other side, left arm comes up as you inhale, spread. And then exhale, left arm reaches underneath that right arm, this time releasing that outer left shoulder all the way down onto the floor. As we continue to move throughout our whole entire body, any places where maybe you feel a little extra stiff or tight this morning, just breathing into those areas to help loosen the tension up and to promote that circulation. Unthread that left arm, inhale all the way back up, and then exhale, left hand all the way down onto the ground. Now from here, go ahead and slide the hands forward about 3 to 4 inches. You can turn the indexes slightly out, tuck the toes underneath the feet, and then start to draw your hips up into a down dog. But we're going to spread the feet out the width of the mat, and then we'll also bring the feet forward a couple of inches so it's a shorter downward facing dog. As you take a couple of breaths to root down through the palms, to draw your hips up like a mountain peak, and to allow your heels to descend down, relaxing your head, your neck, your mind. A couple more slow, deep breaths there. Take one last inhale to accentuate your stretch. And then exhale, go ahead and relax the knees all the way back down onto the ground. Now, we'll step back to a plank pose, so upper push-up position. And you can always modify. If this is too intense, you're just going to drop your knees down. And then feel your heart shift forward as you inhale. And then lower slow all the way down onto your belly as you exhale. Sphinx pose. So release the tops of the feet. Slide the elbows underneath the shoulders. Forearms parallel to each other. Chin slightly down as you come into a sweet little morning backward bend. One last inhale there in Sphinx. And then child's pose as you exhale. So shift the hands back by the ribs and then draw your hips back towards your heels. You might spread the knees out wider as you bring the big toes together. Extend the arms straight out in front of you as you relax and release. Your forehead down onto the floor. Beautiful. And then from here, go ahead and crawl yourself up to a last final kneeling position, sitting onto your heels or a block. Bring the hands to prayer position. Be consistent, be committed, and see you on the mat. Namaste. Thank you for your practice. Thank you for joining me. Please remember to hit that YouTube subscribe button. And also, if you're interested in our full programs and easy to follow along calendars, be sure to check out Inner Dimension Yoga. There's a link down below. Thank you.